Thank you and good morning, AEA. I'm Dan Stearns with Carlisle IT, and it's been a long time. I really look forward to getting back and getting reacquainted with some old friends and customers. We do have two new products to talk to you about this morning. The first is our Airtext Solo high-speed Ethernet connector. With data rates, volume requirements of new and emerging aircraft systems growing oftentimes exponentially. SATCOM, Wi-Fi connectivity, modern cockpit avionics, enhanced or synthetic vision systems, for example, data loading and transfers are all illustrations of how these applications are consuming higher volumes of data at ever-increasing speeds. Excuse me. Carlisle has been a longtime provider of connector and cable technology as well as the infrastructure behind those connections. So with data speeds and volume in mind, Carlisle Interconnect is pleased to introduce the newest connector family, the Airtext Solo. So featuring twice the density of legacy quadrex connectors, the Airtext can easily accommodate data from 1 gigabit to as much as 10 plus gigabits per second, assuring data-hungry application needs are met now and in the future. Airtext Solo was designed for easier and less costly on-site field repairs utilizing off-the-shelf mill standard pins without the need for special tools or equipment. Airtext is a simple, cost-effective connector with a small form factor that saves space and weight for current and future high-density applications. The Airtext Solo also keeps with the long Carlisle IT tradition of offering rugged, harsh environment performance with a broad operating temperature range, superior EMI shielding, and corrosion resistance. There's multiple configurations and shell sizes that are available now. We can also custom build specific connectors for customer needs. For a closer look, we do have samples in the booth and a unique adapter actually that converts existing quadrex connectors to Airtext. So the next product is our EFB Easy Mount and Universal Cradle system. In the past, aircraft operators that required panel-mounted EFBs have been stuck with tablet-specific mounting options. EFB changes, and especially the rapid deployment of and implementation of iPads, MS Surface carry-ons, for example, for use by flight crews, can make existing certified mounting hardware solutions obsolete. So growing our legacy EFB mount and cradle options, Carlisle IT is pleased to bring forward the next generation of easy mount and universal cradle hardware that's tablet agnostic and assures adaptability to future COTS changes or modifications. The latest easy mount is smaller, it's sturdier, it's lighter weight, and includes an AirInc standard mounting bolt pattern that matches up with the back of the new cradle. Now the universal cradle is also smaller, lighter, modular design with an expandable arm that makes it adaptable to new and future tablet designs, including allowance for the protective cases on those tablets. The small form factor and the lightweight materials of the system won't interfere with supporting devices like GPS or Wi-Fi signals. The modular design also allows for easy tablet refresh cycles, giving the operators a simple and cost-effective path to upgrade EFBs and the tablets without having to change out the mounting hardware. Carlisle currently has several existing STCs that we look to upgrade over time to the new mount and the cradle system, as well as pursue new aircraft STC options. And then finally, in addition to the easy mount and cradle, we're also bringing forward a new cockpit power charging port to round out a total EFB, cockpit EFB solution. The next-gen power port does give flight crews an easy plug-in charging capability for their EFB or their iPad or their Surface tablets. Samples of the mount, the cradle, and the power port are here, available now in the booth for viewing. And finally, thank you. We appreciate it. Appreciate coming back here. Look forward to it. We're in booth 537. We are hosting a hospitality event tomorrow from 3:30 to 5:30. So please come by, have a cold one on us. We look forward to catching up with everybody. Have a great show.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 61st Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Las Vegas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Avidyne is the pilot-centric innovator. If you look at Avidyne's 20-plus year history, we had the first moving map, full color, that had everything on it. We were the first ones to do a primary flight display for general aviation. Avidyne has lots of opportunities and things in the works that will continue the leadership role we played in the past of coming up with new concepts and always having the best user interface to them.
It's called Airtext Plus. The mobile office is now a true, cost-effective win-win reality because being available and part of the communication chain keeps you in control. Visit us at www.airtext.aero for more information and get started staying in touch today.